Alright, what's going on, everybody? We're back on the Dart. I got the transmission all back together last night and it is ready to go back in. And as you can see, we have a crowd of folks here to help put it in. So I'm probably gonna not put any cameras, in people's faces. And I'm just gonna set up a GoPro with a time lapse going on. And I'll give you a little narration if we need it. Hopefully, here shortly we'll be chirping second gear in this thing. So I guess we've got everything back together now. All the bolts and the fluids and the exhaust and whatnot. So I've got like 6 quarts of fluid in it. We got a hot battery. I guess now we can see if it'll run again. See if it'll take gear, let it warm up, check fluid again, and then maybe see if it'll chirp second gear. Jerry.
Ready.
Ready. Well, do a quick little walk around here. Got it in neutral. Gonna let it warm up a little. Listen to that. That's a good sounding car right there. Shout out. Banging headlights. Any leaks? Nothing? I'll start checking some fluids.
Hey Justin, before you drive, just remember, people tend to go viral when they do stupid shit.
So do something stupid?
Yeah, don't go do stupid shit.
I don't know, I'd like to go viral, I figure. I really hope this thing goes down the road. Let's find out. Hey, this. Oh. Dang it. Try again. Hold on. You sure?
Well, that was entertaining.
Well, poor connection. Busted my knuckle. Oh, yeah. Okay. Might want to put your seatbelt on for this one, buddy.
Yeah, it's raining, and I know you're stupid sometimes.
I'm not stupid.
Here, take this for a second while I get hooked up.
I'm not stupid. I'm just irresponsible.
Same thing. Coming from a stupid person.
Hey, it has reverse.
That's good.
Hey, it goes forward.
That's good. That's what we need.
Does it shift? Does shift. I may need to adjust the throttle valve table.
Smells like it.
Let's pull her in and
Yep.
assess some things.
Assess the situation.
Status report. Got it back on the lift. It is leaking transmission fluid from the dipstick. I didn't have the right O-ring, so I just threw one in there. It ain't the right one, so she's probably gonna get a little silicone. I ain't gonna lie. We have an oil leak. I knew about this. I knew about the oil leak beforehand, but then I forgot about it. It is the sending unit right there. It's leaking pretty good. Pouring down the side of the block. So I gotta take care of that. The transmission, it was really late shifting third, but I had the detent cable set pretty far back with the last transmission, and obviously the shift kit and everything, it ups line pressures. So it probably needs to be backed off a little bit. It'll shift into third a lot easier then. But it seemed like it shifted fine. Shifted first to third just fine. As far as actually taking the gear, obviously I didn't get into the guts of the transmission, so it's kind of a mystery as to how good a shape this transmission really is in. Everything looked fine, but just from what I saw in the pan, it's still a 74 model 727. But my allergies they're tearing me up, and it's rainy, it's murky. I want to go home and rest. I've been doing this all day. So that's probably all I'm going to do on this rig today. I'll fix the oil leak, fix the transmission fluid leak there, and then set that detent cable, and we'll try it again, hopefully when the weather's a little better, maybe tomorrow in the daylight. So I'll probably catch back up with you when I'm making those adjustments. So check this out. I got the car back in the shop. I fixed the oil leak. It's just the sending unit. I fixed that. New compression fitting, took care of that. Fixed the transmission fluid leak. It was just a dipstick O-ring. I fixed it the right way with a better O-ring and not silicone. It's fixed. And then I was adjusting on the detent cable, and that took care of my shifting. It shifts great. And I'm out here, adjusting the detent cable, and I guess coil went out, something like that. Distributor, I don't know. Spark, got no spark. Have confirmed no spark. So here I am on the side of the road at night. We got gas, but no spark. Awaiting my rescue. Probably going to be a Chevrolet or a Ford. Who would have thought? Crazy. Can't believe this piece of junk car. All this work I done to it. Transmission shift kit. And here it does. Let me down. Let's see. Well, we're getting fuel. But we ain't getting no spark. That coil's like a year or so old. Parts nowadays are freaking junk. Really, they're just junk. I swear that coil probably got 2,000-3,000 miles on it. Just sucks. You do all this work. What the hell is that? So, a light over there. What is that? There's something over here now. What in the hell is that? Froze!